Hey guys, it's Davy here with Gner Designs TV, and I'm back at you with another tutorial. With all the coronavirus uncertainty going on, a lot of us are stuck at home, stuck at work, or perhaps you're doing your same daily routine. But one thing we do feel that we need is a face mask, whether it's just to help your anxiety, which it is for me so I can feel like I'm protecting myself, or maybe you work in the medical field and you're unable to find any. This is a good alternative. By no means does this fully protect you from the coronavirus. It's actually more to help to keep you from touching your face. A lot of us go out, go shop, go to our cars, and then come right in and touch our mouth and our eyes. At least with the face mask, it'll kind of be a reminder like, hey, wash your hands first. So no way am I saying this is 100% a protected from the virus, but more as a step to help you to stop touching your face. Drop a few links as to where you could print this out, or you could even trace it on your computer screen if you have a light enough piece of paper, or if you have a mannequin, you could always drape your own on the mannequin as well. I have a piece of fabric here. It is approximately 13 by 13 inches wide. I am going to go ahead and fold it over hot dog style once, and then hamburger style. Next, I'm going to take my pattern piece, and it really doesn't matter where you put it as long as there is equal enough space around the pattern piece. You can go ahead and place some pins here if that helps. The pins help if you don't have a steady hand when cutting. Just a few, and I'm going to go ahead and give myself about a ½ inch extra around this pattern for seam allowance. Okay, so when you're done, it should look like this. When you take your pins out, you should then have 4 pieces, 2 for the front and 2 for the back. Front, back. Alright, so what you want to then do is flip each pair onto itself, right sides together. And you're actually going to go ahead and stitch the curved part from the point down, and stop. Alright guys, so I have gone ahead and sewn from the point to the curve down only. And when you open them up, this is what you will have. This is the top of the face mask. And you'll now have a front and a back. So I'm making this reversible, so if we did have a secondary print on the back, maybe I will do that. So if you wanted to do 2 different prints, like maybe a Ninja Turtle, you would have use another print at this time, because it will be reversible. So stay tuned. I think I am going to make these reversible real quick. So I went back into the same style for this one in a different print because I do want these masks to be reversible. So here is the point meaning the top of the mask on both of them. So what you want to do is take one mask and you're going to add your elastic. This is what it looks like. You can use one that's a little bit thicker, maybe like a centimeter wide, but I wouldn't recommend the one that's an inch wide. This may be uncomfortable around your ears and face. I cut mine about 9 inches, but you would want to adjust and see what fits comfortable around your face. And you do so just by taking the elastic, wrapping it around your ear, and bringing it towards your face. My masks, when I put them on, stops about here. So that's where I got the 9 inches from, and this is a comfortable distance. It's not too tight around my ear or anything. All right. So again, this is the top of my mask up here, and these are the sides. So you're going to take your elastic ends, and you're gonna line them up on the mask. Put a pin there. Make sure the elastic is falling on the mask and not outside. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Alright guys, so I am pinned all the way around. My elastic is inside the mask currently. What you want to make sure you do is that you leave a 1.5 inch opening at the bottom so you can flip the mask inside out. So I'm going to go ahead and sew this, and then I'll be back. I have gone around and sewn my mask. Now I'm going to flip her inside out. So what you want to do is the opening, you want to fold it inward as neat as you can and pin it. So this is where my opening is. I've pinned it inward so I can top stitch it, and then once I start that, I'm going to go ahead and top stitch all the way around the perimeter of the mask. That just helps to make it more clean looking, and to also keep any of the material from shifting. Constantly throw it away, and you're fashionable at the same time. You can make them to match your outfits or whatever. Me personally, it's just for peace of mind. I know they're saying they don't really help, but it'll help me.
La ciencia.